If you love potatoes, you're going to love this Indonesian dish. Today, I'm making Indonesian potato fritters called Perkedel, a simple and delicious side dish that's packed with flavor. And I'll also show you a simple trick that helps the Perkedel hold together while frying. If you like easy home cooking and simple recipes, please subscribe to my channel for more delicious meals. Now let's get started. First, I have about 1.5 pounds Yukon Gold potatoes. I use Yukon Gold because they mash well, hold together better than russets, and still stay soft inside. I peel the potatoes and put in water so they don't discolored while I continue cooking. Then I dice the potatoes and put them back in the water. I try to dice them about the same size so they cook evenly. I'm also making sure that the water is enough to cover the potatoes so they don't turn brown. Set aside and peel 3 to 4 garlic, depending on the size, and 1 large or 2 small shallots. If your shallot is large, divide it in 2. Drain and pat dry your potatoes. You are about to fry them now. Heat up oil in a pan or wok. To test whether the oil is hot enough for frying, I just stick a wooden spoon, and if it sizzles like this, that means the oil is ready. Then I put the potatoes that I have pat dry. Fry until the potatoes are fork tender like this. Take the potatoes out from the pan and drain on paper towel. Then we fry the shallots and garlic until they are tender. Take the shallots and garlic out from the pan once they are tender. Another method is to air fry the potatoes. Again, I pat dry my potatoes, then I use my Ninja to air fry. I air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, and I turn the potatoes halfway. The size of the diced potatoes matter, so my suggestion is to check the potatoes while air frying. The potatoes should be fork tender at the end. Now we mash the potatoes until smooth. Then we mash the garlic and shallots into a paste. When it has turned into a paste like this, we put it on the potatoes. Add some white pepper, one teaspoon chicken powder, and about 3/4 teaspoon salt. You can add any dried herbs like parsley, basil, or even any fresh herbs you like. Traditionally in Indonesia, we use chopped fresh cilantro, but I have tarragon here that I'm chopping. Then we mix the ingredients briefly. Add 1 egg white and mix again. I like the consistency smooth like this, but you can make it chunky. It all depends on your preference. Then I add the fresh herbs last, or if I'm using the dried herbs, I like to crush them between my fingers to release more flavor. Take a little bit of the potatoes, about 25 to 30 grams, and shape them into a ball. Then flatten the ball on both sides so the result looks more like a small cylinder. You can make it bigger between 30 to 35 grams if you like, or leave it like a ball. Crack 2 eggs and whisk with a fork. Heat up oil in a pan or wok. Once the oil is hot, dip the potato fritters in the egg wash and fry until golden brown, flipping halfway through. I didn't use an air fryer for this step because the egg coating won't hold well. So you can either double fry the potato fritters or air fry them first and then finish with a quick deep fry. The oil will be foamy toward the end, but that's okay. This is very common for egg-coated food. Take the potato fritters out from the pan and drain on paper towel. Here are the results. The ones on the right are double fried and the ones on the left were air fried first, then quickly deep fried. The one that was air fried first is slightly darker. This one was double fried. It has a nice color and it's more moist. This one was air fried and then deep fried. It's a little denser and less moist. Overall, they're both good, but I prefer the double fried version. Serve with any hot sauce of your choice or Dijon mustard. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.